I got a 2014 Tesla Model S right here. So this power outlet right here doesn't work. So you can see there's no power to it. But these two USB things work. I'm gonna show you where the fuse is located at. So what you do is you pop the frunk open, and there's gonna be a plastic trim right here. So you just pull it out, and then take this fuse box out right here. It's a tab right here. You push it, take it out. And if you look right here, it's a 15 amp fuse right over here. If you can, right here, that's gonna be your cigarette lighter fuse. Pull it out with a needle nose. That's definitely blown. So get you another 15 amp fuse, put it in there. That should fix your power outlet socket. All right, now you can see it's lighting up. And that's it. Hope this video helped you guys out. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.